Welcome back to the Eve Inside, car enthusiasts. Today we dive into the thrilling comeback of an iconic name, the 2025 Toyota Celica Sport. Toyota has outdone itself with a bold return to the automotive world. The 2025 Celica Sport boasts a striking exterior design that marries modern flair with nods to its legendary past. Get ready to turn heads with its sharp, angular shape and aggressive, sporty looks. The front fascia is a masterpiece. Dominated by a massive trapezoidal grille, it screams sporty elegance. The honeycomb pattern adds aggression, while chrome accents bring a touch of sophisticated grandeur. And right at the center, the prominent Toyota logo shines, enhancing both visibility and brand presence. The contemporary geometric LED headlights are a showstopper. Equipped with daytime running lights, they not only enhance visibility and safety but also give the front a distinct light pattern. These lights, extending into the fenders, emphasize the car's low, wide stance, making it look athletic and ready to pounce. Take a look at those sculpted contours on the front bumper and the integrated air intakes. They don't just look good, they improve aerodynamics. The sloping roofline and flowing body lines enhance both style and aerodynamics, giving the Celica Sport a sleek, sporty look. Character lines stretch from the front fenders to the tail lights, adding movement and depth even when the car is parked. And those stylish alloy wheels, available in various sizes and finishes, they elevate the car's aesthetic appeal, giving it a sportier vibe. High-performance tires enhance the Celica Sport's responsiveness and dynamic handling, making every drive a delight. Integrated turn signals on the side mirrors improve visibility and safety, and you can personalize the look with finishes in GL black or body color. At the rear, the LED tail lights are a perfect blend of form and function. Wrapping around the edges, they create a distinctive light signature. Sequential turn signals add a touch of sophistication and technology, while subtle creases on the tailgate amplify the athletic look. The central placement of the Toyota emblem ensures brand identity is consistent. An integrated diffuser in the rear bumper improves aerodynamics and gives a performance-oriented look. And those dual chrome topped exhaust ports? They showcase the car's athleticism even further. Finally, the rear spoiler isn't just for looks. It improves stability and downforce during high-speed driving, seamlessly harmonizing with the tailgate and adding to the Celica Sport's dynamic appearance. With the 2025 Toyota Celica Sport, Toyota has crafted a car that's not just beautiful to look at but a joy to drive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting car content. Visit www.yevsinside.com for latest EV update and review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next time.